Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the data and files so Visio can read them. Open your Excel workbook, convert your rows to a table, or define a named range that includes a unique ID column and the shape labels. Save the workbook where Visio can access it, either locally or on OneDrive. In Visio, make sure Data tab and External Data options are enabled. If prompted, enable macros for linking. Once done, you're ready to import the Excel table into Visio's External Data window. You now import and map the Excel fields to Visio shapes. In Visio, choose Data Link Data to Shapes and pick Microsoft Excel Workbook. Point to the saved file and select the table or named range. When prompted, pick the key column that matches shape ID so Visio can match rows to shapes. Map each Excel column to a Visio shape data field and choose whether links refresh automatically. Make sure to preview mappings if values need type conversion. Adjust columns in Excel first, then re-import to keep consistency. You finish by binding rows to shapes and verifying the link. Drag a row from the External Data window onto a shape to bind it, or use auto link rules for bulk matching based on the ID column. Then apply data graphics or shape data fields to display values on the diagram, and run a refresh to confirm Excel changes propagate. If something breaks, make sure ID match exactly. The named range still covers all rows, files are accessible, and Visio has permission to read the workbook. That single check solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.